spent already.
Hindi na kami tuloy dito sa may area pala dito na puro food lang. Napakamura dito guys. Ano bang tinitingnan ni Madam Mobs?
Naghahanap ako ng tawas.
Ganyan talaga. Ay nako. Parang gusto mo alam saan eh. Madam Mobs, anong nangyayari dyan sa pera mo?
Goodness, I spent already. Nag-spend na.
Kailan na ba in-spend mo?
Ako nagbayad ng food natin.
Uy, pabayaran kita.
May utang ako sa'yo.
Hindi ko dala yung pinaka-camera ko kasi usapan 7-Eleven lang. Ending, street food na tayo ngayon. Harap lang to guys ng picnic hotel. Hindi maharap, halos katabihan lang, andun lang siya. So ito yung menu niya. Hello guys! From 7-Eleven to street food tayo. Let's eat everyone! So bad na tayo. So kailangan pala muna hubarin natin yung pants. Ay yung pants, yung sneakers. For now, phone muna gamitin natin kasi I'm using my DJI Osmo ngayon. But right now, dito mo tayo para may pag-story agad tayo guys. Place is so nice if you just can... if you're just here with us. Sobrang ganda niya. Ito nila dito parang bonsai style eh. Na pinaganda. Na ito mukhang kabuti nga ito eh. Pero ang ganda. Ang daming tao. Nandito na tayo sa Wat Arun guys. Napakaganda ng pupunta natin. Actually yun yung isa sa pinupuntahan dito. So yeah. Makikita nyo lang to sa malapitan. Grabe. Just see the wonder everyone. So doon tayo tatawid kasi dito yung toweran, baka tayo mahuli. Gusto ko na sana bumili ng mga keychain pambigay sa client and everyone, pero parang pupunta pa rin kami Chato-Chak. Sayang kasi ang mahal dito, 180 ba? Ilang piraso lang, 'di ba UM?
Yeah.
Siguro naman mas mura doon kasi mas maraming kalaban.
Mas mura doon. Kasi kapag nandito na ang tourist, kaya nila minamaalan. Same lang din sa atin.
Kung saan may mga tao.
Oo, grab nila na mas mahal doon. Diba? Mas bagay tayo.
Yan na yung bilihan ng ticket guys. 300 baht per head. At titignan lang natin dito yung nakahigang Golden Buddha eh.
Ito yun. Dito
yung nakahigang Golden Buddha.
Pwede mag-pray.
Yun yung reclining.
Siya tayo. 300. Namili ako mga pang-hot plus 400 eh. 400.
Meron ba kaming, kabilang ba kami dyan sa pang-hot plus?
Abay, kung gusto sisinghutin kita. Plus na iyon.
300 nga ayun no.
Guys. Ay, ano tingin mo?
Mag-chok-chokan?
Sabi mo, chok-chok-chok.
Ay,
balik sa hotel at sa kape. Itimpla ng kape.
at least nakapagbangka.
Mabangkano naman?
At least nakapagbangka.
Hindi, tsaka nakapag-lunch tayo dyan.
Oo. Siyempre nagsabi magpupunta kami sa Reclining Buddha. Doon lang naman kami sabi sa Watpo. Watpo naman to, area.
Sabi nga, nalagay ko, optional.
Di na,
Bukas man tayo bukas man tayo marami pang timplo. Ay, ano ang bukas?
technically speaking, hindi na kami tuloy dito sa pinaka Reclining Buddha kasi ang mahal ng per head. And nanghihinayang kaming lahat, no, na pwedeng ipang shopping na or ipang paano na lang, massage. And ngayon, we're just waiting para dun sa aming Bolt or yung Bolt driver or yung taxi namin kasi papunta kami ng Chatuchak. And dun kami maghihiwa-hiwalay mamaya kasi magcha-Chao Phraya cruise kami for dinner. So yun, waiting lang kami sa taxi namin. Hiwalay kami. Ngayon si Ma'am Mab sasakay sa Hilux, kami sa Toyota Altis lang. Mas gusto niya ngayon yung Hilux, no?
Yes!
Sana all naka-Hilux. Tingnan nyo guys gano'ng karaming iba't ibang lahi yung nandito ngayon sa Thailand. Sobrang dami. Ibig sabihin lang that Thailand is really one of the most visited countries in the world. No? Just imagine that isang tourist spot pa lang to and it's Wat Pho. What more sa ibang area, di ba? Ang ganda rin naman kasi talagang preserve yung cultures nila. So, yung culture nila rather. So, yeah, it's really great actually.
And at the back, you can see the cafe. The King Kong Cafe is since 1910. And it's the oldest, one of the oldest cafe here in Bangkok.
Oh, oldest cafe daw yun. Hindi ko nabasa yun, pero nabasa ng UM ko. So, sinabi niya sa inyo, puntahan nyo. Ayan. So, actually, dapat talaga magwa-Wat Pho kami dun sa reclining Buddha. But the thing is that, medyo mahal talaga yung ano niya, yung entrance fee. It's worth 300 baht and more likely mga nasa 600, 500, nearly 600 pesos. No? So mas nag-realize namin na it's much better kasi mas halos same price na siya sa Thai massage and I think it's more worth it for the experience. No? But I know some people will still say na experience yung reclining Buddha because it's only here in Thailand, but yun yung choice namin, no? And not to burst someone's bubble, mas prefer namin ma-experience yung massage, Thai massage for now. And if we change our decision, no, we change our mind, hanggang nandito pa kami, then we can just go here anytime naman. So, yun lang naman. Actually, sobrang init lang kaya sobrang black na yung ating salamin. And yeah, we're just waiting dun sa aming Bolt ride. So, yun lang.
Hey, what's up guys? So we're back. For so long nakarating na din ng ating Bolt driver, no? So nakasakay na kami. We're heading to Chatuchak Market. Bibili na ng souvenir at pambigay sa mga clients, pasalubong. Kasi mamaya, saan kayo mamaya kuya? Papahilot kayo? Papamassage na. Kami mag-Chao Phraya cruise for dinner. Tapos malaman ulit anong ganap mamaya pag uwi. Nag-edit tayo ng vlog mamaya.
Hey, what's up? Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Chatuchak Market, everyone. Open lang kasi to every weekend Saturday, Sunday. Today is already Sunday. So, we'll have no chance na if hindi pa tayo nakapunta ngayon. Bibili tayong pamasalubong sa mga loved ones natin tsaka sa mga clients natin. So, parang ano pala to? Parang Taytay, no? Taytay DV, parang ganun ang dating. We only have
5,000 baht. And we will try to squeeze all we can buy.
Ikaw lang ang 5,000 ng baht. Hindi na ako mag-a-aksaya ng gano'ng karami.
15,000 baht. Charot lang.
So, ito yung itsura niya. Pwede pala tayo tumingin dito ng mga pantalon kasi wala akong pantalon. Bibili tayo ng wallet pambigay sa mga clients natin or keychain. May leather. Mahilig tayo sa leather. Hello. These are all real leathers, right?
Yes. Made from cow leather.
I see. Is it okay if I film?
Yes, sir.
Grabe guys, ang ganda dito ng leather. Kaso sobrang mahal niya. So, no muna tayo doon. Tingnan natin yung iba. Ganda rin nito guys. Thank you. Ganda nun ah. Kaso sobrang mahal, gagi. Hindi ko I can't afford that. I mean, I can afford it pero not a wise choice. So meron dito mga t-shirt guys. So, New Revels for 250 baht. Kaso, it's the only thing is that mura nga siya but it's not my personality. Guys, so meron ditong coffee shop, Thai restaurant. Actually, nagkakaroon tayo ng pwedeng mabili pero wala akong makita ang gusto ko. Mga long sleeve dito. Yan. Kaso ang dami ko kasing ganyan. May area pala dito na puro food lang. Pero parang gusto ko nang inumin. Grabe ang bango dito guys. Sawadee-ka. Is it okay if I film?
Yes.
Sobrang bango. May lemon. Citronella. Actually, yeah, I think that's the thing that I'm smelling right now. Somehow with a touch of lemon, I think. Or which one is it?
This now lemongrass. Popular.
Ah, that one.
Yeah,
aromatic wood.
Yeah.
Ah, lemongrass. Okay. How much is that?
What size? Small size, medium size, and large size. This 4 months come the set. You can use long time 4 months. 650.
Oh.
And with the 6 months, 980 with the cap and get the stick to packet.
Okay. Okay. I'll think about it. What's this for? Ah, okay. Nice, nice. Thank you. Grabe, sobrang bango doon. Hindi ko in-imagine. Alam mo yung mabango na hindi nakakahilo. Cork. Ay. Cork. Okay. Hi, excuse me. Are these all real leathers? Real leather? Is this real leather? No, PU leather. PU only. This one are real. I see. Is it okay if I film a video? How much is this?
250.
250. Right. I see. These are real also? No.
This one for the real leather.
Real?
Real leather. For the handmade.
Yeah. Ganda rin na ito. Oh. Parang ethnic style. Pero yung kasi may mga gantong tahe. That's why. Thank you.
Save the video. How many
Subscribers? I don't know. What are you asking? How many subscribers I have already?
this one for the memory.
How many memory? Like 256. Yeah. You wanna buy some? You can use it actually. Yes. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Mga panghaplas-haplas. Yan. Kaso di ko naman alam itong mga ito. Di ko naman alam kung alin dito yung mga binibili-bili.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Ma'am, I have a question. Which are the best sellers?
Bestseller right now.
Yeah.
From Thai, this one.
This one?
Yeah, this one we see it.
I see. These are like the
Yeah, for inhaler, that 2-in-1 this one. 2-in-1.
Okay.
That oil and for inhaler.
Okay. How about this one? What's this?
This one, Yadong. Yadong is a inhaler.
Inhaler also?
Yeah.
And where you can use it to like...
This one, no. Only inhaler for stop nose.
Ah, okay.
I see. This one. Then this one is 400.
Yeah.
How many grams is this?
5.
Each.
Yes.
Okay. Then this one is how much? Like, let's say for example, the entire
100 baht.
100 baht for all. Okay. So, okay. I'll think about it. I'll just call someone.
Yes.
Oh, you also have small one. Or it's a different brand.
Yeah, different.
I see. This is white flour, right? Dami nila ditong binibenta, guys. Di ko naman naiintindihan lahat. Ano to? What's this for? What's the difference between that blonde and the other one?
The different brand and different smell.
Okay, so how does that smell? Peppermint.
Yeah, peppermint smell. You have to try that.
Can I try it?
Yes.
So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung dapat kong bilhin, pero tatanungin natin ang ating jowa. Okay ka pa?
Wala ng pera.
Punta muna kaming hotel, drop off ng mga pinamili. Then, freshen up for the Chao Phraya cruise. Grabe, nakakapagod. Yung init, yung nakakapagod, hindi yung ginawa namin. Yung init ay nakakapagod, grabe. Hi everyone! We're now here at Icon Siam and as you can see, sobrang daming tao. Kasi we're about to have a dinner cruise. So kasama ko sila Ma'am Mavs, then yung kanyang relatives and sisters. So yeah. Welcome to Icon Siam, everyone. So, ito yung kakainan natin. Meridian Cruise. So, yeah. Waiting lang tayo makapasok. Then, it's time to eat, everyone. This is what it looks like ngayong gabi. Sawadika, UM! So, nandito na tayo! Guys, ang ganda dito! Grabe! Napasok muna kami sa loob ng mall kasi 7:45 pa yung pinaka board dun sa dinner cruise. So, dito muna kami sa loob para makapagpahinga for a while before we board doon. So, ito yung loob niya. Grabe. Tingnan nyo. The veranda. Grabe, parang gusto ko nang kumain. Guys, alam nyo ba, dinner cruise kami ngayon, pero grabe, pagpasok ng South Siam, gutom na kami kasi sobrang daming pagkain, you know. Grabe. So just imagine, parang food bazaar na siya kasi sa loob ng Icon Siam, may Sook Siam and doon nakalagay lahat ng mga food. Parang food bazaar yung pinaka-peg niya. Pupunta na kami, guys! Ito na, daming tao, grabe. Boarding time, everyone! We're already on board, everyone. So, hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Siyempre dapat kasama ako. Hello vlog.
Hello vlog.
Yan. Kuha lang natin ng ulit nga. Welcome to Pattaya! Ganda nito. Mukhang lilipat kami ng bus.